J&K Police Constable exam 2017 previous paper. Question number first given, value of root 2 raised to power 3 is. Question number first, value of root 2 raised to power 3. Root 2 raised to power 3, we can write root 2 into root 2 into root 2. We can write it as root 2 into root 2 into root 2. That is equal to root 2 into root 2 square. This is cancelled and into root 2. We get 2 into root 2. Answer. That is option number C. So option C is correct answer. Question number 2. Value of a plus b plus 2c raised to power 2 is. A plus b plus 2c raised to power 2. As we know that a plus b plus c raised to power 2 is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Its formula, and we are applying a is small a, capital B is small b, and capital C is 2 times of small c. So a plus b plus 2c raised to power 2 is equal to a square plus b square plus 2c square plus 2 into a into b plus 2 into b into 2c plus 2 into 2c into a. Then we get a square plus b square plus 2c square, that is 2 2s are 4, c square plus 2ab plus 2 2s are 4bc plus 2 2s are 4 ca or ac. Answer. That is option a square plus b square plus 4c square plus 2ab plus 4bc plus 4ca. That is option number C. Option C is correct answer. Question number 3. Complement angle of 60 degree. Complement angle of 60 degree is. Complement angle of 60 degree, that is equal to 90 minus 60 degree. We find the complement angle of 60 degree equal to 90 minus 60, that is equal to 30 degree. Answer. Option number B. Option B is correct answer. Question number 4. In triangle ABC, if AB is greater AC, in triangle ABC, if AB is greater AC, then option first, angle B is greater angle C, angle B is equal to angle C, angle C is greater angle B. If AB is greater AC, then angle C is greater angle B. Option C is correct answer. Question number 5. The sum of two numbers is 20 and their difference is 4. Then the numbers are. Two numbers, X and Y. Let X and Y be two numbers. According to question, X plus Y is equal to, sum of two numbers is equal to 20 and X minus Y is equal to 4. Adding equation first and equation second, adding first and second, we get 2x is equal to y is cancel and 2x equal to 24, x is equal to 24 upon 2, that is 12. We get the value x is equal to 12 and we are putting x equal to 12 in equation number first. X plus y is equal to 20 and we are putting x in this equation, that is 12 plus y is equal to 20 and y is equal to 20, shifting right side, that will be negative 12 and we get the value of y is equal to 20 minus 12, that is 8. So required numbers is equal to 12 and 8. Answer, that is in option number C, 12, 8. So option C is correct answer. Question number 6. If all sides of a quadrilateral are equal, then it is parallelogram, rectangle, square and rhombus. If all sides of a quadrilateral are equal, then it is rhombus. Then it is a rhombus. Option number D. Option D is correct answer. In rhombus, all sides are equal. If all sides of quadrilateral are equal, then it's rhombus. Question number 7. Value of sine 30 degree. as we know that sin 30 degree is equal to 1 upon 2. Answer. Sin 30 degree equal to 1 upon 2. That is option C. Option C is correct answer. Question number 8. The surface area of a sphere having radius 7 centimeter is. Surface area of a sphere having radius 7 centimeter is. Given radius is equal to 7 centimeter and surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Surface area of sphere equal to 4 pi r square, that is equal to 4 into value of pi, that is 22 upon 7, and radius is 7 into 7, it's given. This is cancelled and we get 22 fours are 88 into 7 centimeter square, that is 88 into 7, 8 sevens are 56, 5 carry, 8 sevens are 56 plus 5 61, and we get 616 centimeter square. Answer. Surface area of sphere is equal to 616 centimeter square, that is in option number B. Option B is correct answer. Question number 9. The mean of the first 5 natural number. Mean of first 5 natural number. Is first 5 natural number, that is 1 plus mean is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 5. First 5 natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and sum of 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 50. Mean is equal to 15 upon 5. Mean is equal to 3. Answer. That is in option C. Option C is correct answer. Question number 10. Altha borrowed rupees 1 lakh for 3 years from Hitesh at 7% compound interest annually. How much money will he pay to his friend at the end of 3 years? Principal is equal to 1 lakh rupees. Rate of interest is 7%. Time is 3 years. amount is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power T. A is equal to 1 lakh 1 plus 7 upon 100 raised to power 3. Amount is equal to 1 lakh 100 multiplying 1, that is 100, plus 7 107 upon 100 raised to power 3. One 107 into 107 into 107 divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 5 zeros are cancelled. And 107 into 107 we get 7 sevens are 49, 7 ones are 7, 0 0 0 and 7 0 1 we get 9 4 14 1 into 107. 9 sevens are 63, 6 carry, and 7 fours are 28, 28 plus 6 34, 3 carry, 7 fours are 28, 28 plus 3 31, 3 carry, and 7 ones are 7 plus 3 10, 1 carry, 7 ones are 7 plus 1 8, and 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, okay, and 9 4 4 1 1, 3 4 10 5 2 2 1. Amount is equal to 1225043 divided by 10. This implies amount is equal to 122,504.30. We are dividing this by 10, then answer will be 122,504.30 rupees. Answer that is in option 122,504.30. Option A is correct answer. Question number 11. Look at the series 2, 1, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4 and dash. What number should come next? Given 2, 1, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4 and dash. Two multiply by 1 upon 2, that is equal to 1, and 1 is here, multiply 1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 2, this number, and 1 upon 2 multiplying 1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 4, fourth number, and we are multiplying 1 upon 4 by 1 upon 2, that is equal to 1 upon 4 2s are 8, then this number will be 1 upon 8. 1 upon 8, that is in option C. Option C is correct answer. Question number 12. Look at the series 36, 34, 30, 28, 24 and next. What number should we come next. Given series 36, 34, 30, 28, 24 and next. "36 minus 2 is equal to 34 and 34 minus 4 is equal to 30. 30 minus 2 is equal to 28 and 28 minus 4 is equal to 24. First we are subtracting first number minus 2. First number minus 2. First number 36 minus 2 is equal to 34 and 34 minus 4 equal to 30. First number subtracting 2 and second number subtracting, answer will be 34 and 34 subtracting 4, that is 30. Third number minus 2. Fourth number minus 4. Fifth number minus 2, that is 24 minus 2, that is equal to 22. We get the answer is 22. First number we are subtracting minus 2. 36 minus 2 is 34. And second number, first number 36 minus 2, 34. Second number 34 minus 4, that is 30. Third number minus 2, 28 and fourth number minus 4, that is 24. Fifth number we are subtracting minus 2. 24 minus 2 is equal to 22, that is 22 answer. Option number B. Option B is correct answer. Thank you so much.